And today Kelsey and I are going to be doing our winter wardrobe essentials. And if you guys have not seen our winter beauty essentials, pause this video and go watch that first. And then come back and watch this one, because this of course is a part of our winter essentials video series that we do every single year. We love doing these because we love talking about products and clothes that we actually use and cannot basically stop using. So that's what we classify as essential. So this video is going to be everything essential for us in the wardrobe department, because if you don't know by now, Kelsey and I love clothes. Yes. Like, I'm obsessed with just jackets and beanies and just we love colder weather. Yes. As opposed to hot weather. Yeah. Which is why we always do this video every single year, just because we like to show you guys our favorite things to wear and the things we find ourselves picking up often throughout the season. So that's what we're going to show you today. Okay, so our first essential, most of them are the same, so we're just gonna try to do this together. Yeah. But our first essentials are crewnecks and hoodies. Yes. Mainly Champion, just because they're the most comfortable, and I find that they keep us the warmest. Yeah, I was gonna say. Yeah. Because the first time I wore a Champion hoodie was at the airport, and I was so hot. Yes. I was like, okay, walking throughout the airport. Yes, I underestimated how warm it was. Yes. Champion is on the pricier side, but it's so worth it, because you stay warm for longer and you get warm faster. Like, you know, some things you have to layer over top of other things, but this, you just basically need a regular like camisole underneath and you're good to go. Yeah. And a beanie and you're warm. Exactly. Like, it's crazy how good of quality these are. And I like how many colors they come in too. I was just going to say, I feel like I started collecting. Me too. Because I have a new color. Neutrals, I have colors. Love this royal blue color. I have a green crew neck I wear a lot that a lot of people like. They just have so many options. So these are the crew necks that I decided to bring up. Of course, I have many more, but we don't have time for that. So I wanted to bring like some of my favorites up here, or ones that you guys have seen me in, like throughout videos or on Instagram or something. So this black one I love. This is like basically my favorite one, obviously, because it goes with so much. And then you guys really love this orange one when I wore it on Instagram with my orange Adidas, my NMDs with some leggings. This is like, that's like my go-to outfit when I'm going anywhere that I need to be casual, because I look cute, but then I don't, you know, freeze to death. So I love this orange one, and I like Champion because it helps me explore my horizons when it comes to color. Because as you guys know, I love black. I can wear black every single day of the year. Yes, you can. Yes. And then of course I love this maroon color. I love a good burgundy. Burgundy is one of those colors that I would like double up on, so I'll put this with a burgundy beanie. Oh, that would be burgundy cute. Just looks so pretty. Yeah, it's just such a nice, rich, deep color. So love this burgundy one. And like Kelsey said, the hoodies are bomb. Like, it's been raining here so much. Yes. And then these are two of the hoodies I wanted to show you guys. Two of my favorites that I like to wear. I feel like this is my go-to airport one. I don't know why. I think because it goes with my favorite airport shoes, which are my Adidas Tubulars, which are also gray. Love this hoodie, and hoodies are good for the airport, especially the plane, because it keeps your ears warm. And it's something about the air when it comes on your head. This gets really cold and dry first. Your face. It protects it protects your skin from getting as dry too. And I feel like I sleep better with the hood on the plane. Yes, I sleep better. So I also love this nude one. They have a lot of really pretty nudes and like tans. That's why I love Champion as well. Like, if you're on Pinterest and if you see like Champion or anything, chances are you can probably still find it on Urban Outfitters. But if you can't find it in the women's section, check the men's section, because I shop for both when it comes to Champion. Yes. Because they don't always have the same colors. But I find myself getting more from the men's section. They always have more options. Yeah. It's so annoying. Okay, so our next essentials are puffer coats. And I've been obsessing over these. I feel like every time we leave the house, I be want to pick up one of my other jackets, but I end up picking up a puffer coat. Kendra would be like, how many of those do you have? Yes. Because I bought mine because of you. I honestly went kind of crazy one day, and I went on Zara and Misguided and just bought puffers. These two are from Misguided. This gray one I'm obsessed with. It's like a darker gray on the outside, like a charcoal gray, and on the inside it's like a lighter gray. This is one of my favorites, because y'all know I love gray. Oh, I didn't realize you got the same one. Love these puffers from Misguided, and they're actually warm. Thank you for putting me onto these. You're welcome. And they actually keep you warm. They're so comfortable.
And they're just really good coats, and they're not super expensive because puffers can get very expensive.
Very pricey.
But I feel like Missguided has like the best priced ones, but they're still warm. You know what I mean?
Some that are cheap and then you put it on, you look still freezing.
Yeah, they're super thin.
Yes, thin ones.
Yeah.
So if you want a recommendation, go to Missguided. They have so many options.
A lot of colors.
I only brought up the ones I felt like bringing up here because I also have a burgundy one that's really pretty. I'm obsessed with that one.
And of course, like a nude color. You can't go wrong with the nude color. And I like that it's gray on the inside. And I like puffers too that have hoods.
Theirs have hoods. Again, I said it's been raining in Georgia like crazy.
Yeah.
This might as well be Seattle.
Exactly.
It's been raining so much here. These hoods come in so much handy when you forgot an umbrella. Like 1 minute it'll be fine outside and then you leave Whole Foods and you like, okay, I gotta run to the car. Because it's just ridiculous how bipolar our weather is here.
Yeah. But
if you already have one of these on, you're good because these hoods are really big on these.
They are.
Like really huge. Like look how much of your face that would cover. So I love this black one, of course. You guys know I had to get the black one. But even you had the black one.
Yeah, I have the black one. I love that one.
So you will find a color that you like, and then you will also find colors that you probably don't need that just look too pretty to pass up. Because I got way too many. I think I got basically every color they have except for like 2.
Oh Lord. And then I also have this one from Zara. This one is nude as well, but the Missguided one is like a lighter nude. And this one is like a deeper nude, more taupey nude. I know it's coming up lighter on camera because of the lights, but it is a darker nude. And I like this one because it's made of recycled goods. So I don't know, I was just like, that coat is so cute, and also it's recycled. And this one has like a cloth, like a cotton hood, which is different, which I really like. But this one is warmer than the Missguided one. It has really big pockets as well, which I like. And it's just so cozy and
Zara has really good outerwear. If you're looking for some good coats, go to Zara. They have so many different like styles of coats.
They're a little bit more expensive, but
it's worth it.
Not like crazy expensive.
If you live in a colder climate, it's worth it.
Exactly. Not getting the flu.
And I also wanted to show these Missguided ones do have pockets in the front, if you guys didn't notice. So they do have pockets, which is also a plus because it's somewhere to put your phone or your keys. Like when you're just running in the store and you don't want to bring like a whole like bag. Or like a whole purse or something like that. That comes in handy. I love big, huge pockets.
Yes, me too.
And I also wanted to share with you guys this red one that I love from Topshop. Topshop also has some really good, cute puffers that, you know, are really good quality. This one isn't, it's good, it's pretty good, you know, puffer in there.
Yeah, it's good
It's
puffer.
probably not a thing. It's good puffer.
It's good puffer in there.
Yes. But I also like the sleeves on this one because it has kind of like a ruched
like a bomber
effect. It's like a kind of like a bomber jacket on this end, and I really enjoy like how it looks like on. So if you don't like the straight sleeve, then go to Topshop to see if you like their style more. This one does not have a hood. It's like more of like a straight collar, but I think that looks cute too, depending on what kind of outfit you want to, you know, go for.
I like this with all black underneath.
I would do all black. I was going to wear this during Christmas, but I wanted to be more casual, so I'll just save this for another Christmas.
And it wasn't cold enough in Alabama.
No, it was not that cold.
Yeah.
So I love this one. It does have pockets, but they're on the side instead of in the front. So they're kind of like hidden pockets. So if you don't like your pockets to be seen, also try out Topshop. So I just want to show you guys a different option because these are essential in your wardrobe. Because I feel like this one is warm, but it also adds a like stylish element to an outfit as well.
Nice pop of color.
Yes, but it's still practical. I feel like this wardrobe essentials is all about practicality because that's what we've been all about this winter. We haven't really been going anywhere because it's been raining so much. Even though we're raving about our puffer jackets that we've been loving this season, I still want to give some love to my bomber jackets because you guys know bomber jackets were in for so long, but I still feel like they're in because they're still in my closet. And I love a good bomber. I feel like it just makes the outfit look super cute. You just throw it on. You can wear it with sneakers and heels, and you just automatically look like sporty, casual.
Yeah. But
you can still look girly if you throw it on with heels. This one I'm obsessed with. This is my Nassau one that I got from Urban Outfitters, and this is probably one of the warmest bombers I own.
It really is.
I also have this. Do I have it in gray? No, Kelsey has the gray one.
I have the gray one.
She has a gray one, and I think I have a navy one that I cannot wait to wear. This one is my favorite though. I wore this on the plane on the way to Paris, and it kept me so warm, and that flight was 8 hours and I was freezing. It's like the longer you stay on the plane, the more cold it gets. You're like, it's just freezing all of a sudden.
In some moments it get hot too.
Yes.
But what is going on?
I love this one because it has so many details on it. So it just feels like a different piece in your closet because I feel like you're paying for all the different patches on it, and it just looks cool. I just love how cool it looks, and I love that the inside is red, like,
and it has inside pockets too that I use all the time. Yeah,
yes, like your phone, my phone fits in here. It's just a good overall like jacket because I was putting like chapstick in this and all kind of stuff, y'all. Everything. Okay, so my next essential is something that I wear in the house, out of the house, everywhere I go, and it's sweatpants. And I'm sure you guys already knew that. I live in sweatpants. I just love, they're so comfortable. You can dress them up, you can dress them down. You can wear baggy ones, you can wear more fitted jogger style ones.
Exactly.
That are like more dressy.
Yeah, there's so many kinds that you can wear. Like, of course, I love the like baggier ones when I'm like in the house chilling. And I like the more fitted ones if I'm gonna go out, but I still wanna be comfortable, which is most of the time. I wanna be comfortable. But yeah, I just grabbed just one of my hangers of, you know, sweats because I literally have a sweat section in my closet because I'm OCD, but also because I find myself going over there the most, and I just like when they're easy to find. So I like to hang mine. I know some people like to fold their sweats, but I like to hang mine because, I don't know, I just like to keep them very organized, and I have a lot of the same colors, like more than one kind, like the gray. I have a lot of black ones, a lot of nude, so I just like to keep them very organized. My favorite ones are these Champion ones though. They're like really high-waisted, and they tie in the inside, and they have a really chunky band around the waist, and they also have pockets. Like, I'm obsessed with these. So I got these in black and this gray color, and they also have a pocket in the back on the butt. They're just so comfortable. Like, I love these. I think I got these from Urban Outfitters. I'm pretty sure I got them from Urban Outfitters. Yeah.
I feel like Urban and Zara is like, I could shop there forever for the rest of my life.
Urban and Zara, but ASOS too for me.
Got it.
Yeah, I love ASOS. But yeah, these are just so comfortable, but they're still like feminine looking, and like they give you a shape. So these are by far my favorite ones. And of course I like Nike as well. Like, can't go wrong with some Nike sweats. But I like my Nike sweats when I'm like going grocery shopping or something, or, you know, these are dude ones, by the way. I got these from the guy section at the Nike store. They're just so comfortable. Like, even though I look kind of like a dude with these on, they're just so comfortable. I don't even be caring. I'm like, if I'm comfortable, I don't care.
Yeah.
So yeah, I like to wear these when I like grocery shopping stuff.
Okay, so my bottom of choice is probably kind of predictable because I've mentioned these many times, but this is an essentials video. So I'm going to talk about them again, and they are my Zella leggings. I'm obsessed with these. These are my super high-waisted ones. I have like a regular pair and then 2 pairs of these super high-waisted. I think I have like 4 pairs total, and I just wear them over and over and over again. They just fit so cute. They're not too tight to the point where they feel like you can't breathe, but they're like tight enough to where you feel like so put together, and like they just make you feel cuter when you still want to be casual and comfortable and you don't want to wear jeans. So these are like those perfect hybrid bottoms to put on. When I tell y'all I would put these on with my hoodies and my crew necks, a bomber, a puffer, like these literally go with basically everything else we talked about in this video.
Yeah. So
you need a good pair of Zella leggings. You can wear these to school, you can wear them to the grocery store, to pick up your kids. Like, they're just so comfortable, super cute, and they just look so flattering on like all body types, and they're very stretchy, which I love. And I'm sure people work out in these because they have like this little keyhole thing in the front. So I'm sure these are meant for working out as well. I don't work out in these. I work out in Lululemon leggings because I prefer that to work out. But these are like my more loungy kind of leggings because they're so comfortable. So if you don't have any Zella leggings, you need to get some. Nordstrom sells them. I get mine off Nordstrom. So I highly recommend that you try some because they're bomb. Okay, so our next essential, is this our last one? Yes.
This is our final and last essential. And it's something that I'm wearing, and it's beanies. Kendra and I love beanies. We're obsessed with them. Between the both of us, we have so many beanies. They're just so easy, especially when your hair is dirty, even though mine is clean right now. But I thought it went cute with my outfit. But they're so key if you live in cold climates.
Yes.
Georgia gets cold, but I'm sure not as cold as like other places. But when it gets to like the end of January, beginning of February, that's when it starts to get really cold. And I find myself always grabbing a beanie to leave the house in, just because it just keeps your entire body warm. Like, you don't even have to have a coat on. You can just have on a hoodie and a beanie,
it's
and you're
crazy
warm.
how warm like just the beanie on your head keeps you. Like,
I think it's because I think it's something about your feet and your head that keeps
your
controls the temperature of your body.
Oh.
Yeah, feet and head control the temperature of your body.
Yes. ASOS has a lot of really good options. Like, I have so many colors. They come in even packs on ASOS with different colors. They have practical, like, neutral colors. They have bright colors.
Yep.
I have so many, like, different ones from ASOS. I have burgundy, red, black, khaki. Like, they have so many different ones. This is one of the great ones that I have from ASOS that I love, that came in like a pack of like 2 or 3. Came in like a pack of 3. And I love this. It fits super cute on your head. And it's just super warm and it's super thick. So I love a thick beanie.
Yeah.
And then this Adidas one I also love. This one is also from ASOS. So ASOS does have some Adidas stuff that I really love. This one is really warm, really thick, and it's really stretchy. So if you have a larger head, you know. Super, super cute. And I just love like the Adidas on it. I feel like I've been wearing beanies a lot this season. Like, even if you go to my Instagram, you will see that I have been wearing beanies. So you've seen these essentials on my body if you follow me on Instagram.
Well, I usually don't start wearing beanies, like I said, until like kind of like now in like February. But I'm obsessed with this camo one that I've had for like the past like 2 years. I think I got it from ASOS. I'm pretty sure I got it from ASOS. But I wear this one a lot. This is really cute with like all black or pretty much anything. I don't even have to be wearing all black with this. I think in Chicago I wore it with like a graphic tee, some jeans, and some thigh-high boots. Like, it's just so cute and easy. But I didn't wear it the whole time with my outfit, but it was just like a cute accessory to like throw on and add like when it got like colder out. So yeah, love that one. Of course I have an Alabama one just because, you know, I gotta represent my team. I got this Alabama one off Amazon. So if you're looking for like team beanies, I recommend going on Amazon. And they ship a lot faster. Yeah. Yeah, and I also got the Seahawk one from Amazon as well. I like the lime green.
I love how bright
and of course, you guys know we're Seahawks fans. Yes. And if you don't know, now you know. But yeah, I love this lime green color. It's just so, so cute. It's just like a nice pop to your outfit. So yeah, it's just important to have options when you have beanies. Because you can just put them on with like any outfit.
I could have the navy one like this.
Yeah, I got you the navy one.
Yeah, but I wish you would have bought the green one too.
Okay, I mean, I didn't know.
The green one. Okay, you guys, so that completes our winter wardrobe essentials. I know this one was less lengthy than our other ones in the past, but we were just trying to, you know, condense it down this year, and we just wanted to show you guys the exact things that we have been wearing this winter, and we're going to continue to wear throughout the rest of the season. And we wanted to show you guys like the best options, like if you're looking for new coats or, you know, beanies or any other options, the stores that we go to that are good stores that are like good quality. So we wanted to show you guys like the best of the best in this video, so we didn't want to bombard you with too much stuff in this video. So hopefully it was still helpful. We will link all the stores down below that we bought all this stuff from. And yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.